guys, today we're back in the 2022 Subaru BRZ, and we're going to be reviewing the MRT Sport Touring Axle-Back Exhaust. This is a very mild setup. Sounds really nice on the 2022 BRZs. The 2.4 liter FA24 sounds a little bit deeper, a little bit throatier. Let's start this up. We'll show you what it sounds like and walk you around a little bit. We'll include some clips in this video so you can hear it from the inside, outside, cold start, all the good things, and we'll get started with this exhaust review. So not quite a cold start here, but it is a little bit chilly out right now. 31 degrees. I've been driving for about 5-10 minutes. A little bit of a lower tone at idle. Out back, we've got 4-inch stainless steel polished tips. Fitment looks great. You can see this is the muffled setup. It's got 2 MRT mufflers back there. It's right up underneath the bumper. Lots of clearance, which is important for me since this is in full safari rally mode now. Lifted on 1.5-inch spacers. I like this exhaust because it's a little bit milder than the street race. It lets you hear the engine just a bit more in the cabin. It's very quiet on cold starts. So you're not going to be waking up all the neighbors. A little bit less expensive than a full catback system. Weighs about the same as stock. The unmuffled straight through axle back is about 22 pounds lighter than stock. So just getting going here, you can hear just a little bit more of a Subaru Boxer rumble at low revs. Zero drone anywhere in the rev range from this system. Those exhaust pops on the overrun are just a little bit more pronounced with this axle back. If you guys want to get a true sense of what this system sounds like, I would highly recommend listening with a pair of headphones. We have the fake engine noise turned off in this BRZ. Where you really hear the exhaust is below 4,000 RPM. Just a little bit deeper of a tone. And instead of just hearing engine sound, you hear a bit of exhaust back there now too, which is nice. And it sounds really good from the outside too. Really smooth, clean tone, very sporty. I feel like this is about how the BRZ should have sounded from the factory. Get a little bit more heat into the car and we'll take it up to red line. Cruising here, 2,000 RPM, 45 miles an hour. Again, zero drone. This is kind of the perfect axle back sound for me personally. I really wanted something that was just slightly louder than stock, that offered some nice sounds from the outside. I'm getting a little bit older now, and my daily driver needs to be pretty mild from a sound standpoint. All right, a couple downshifts. Let's see what this is like at red line. Just a little bit more exhaust tone than stock. It actually almost sounds stock around 3,500 RPM. Of course, if you want more sound, just put down the rear seats. Sitting here about 3,000 RPM. This would be about 70 miles per hour in a stock new BRZ GR86. I have the 4.3 limited slip differential in the back, so my revs are about 200 RPM higher than normal. Uphill, it's very faint, but again, zero drone from this system. Even up at 42, 4,300 RPM, which is where the street race system had a little bit of drone. No drone up there. What about lower in the rev range? RPM. Yeah, just a nice deeper tone there from that FA24. 'All right, hopefully that gives you guys a pretty good idea of what this new MRT Sport Touring exhaust sounds like on the BRZ. We'll keep this exhaust on the car so you'll be able to hear it in future videos. But yeah, this is going to be my daily driving setup for the BRZ that's going to stay on the car for the foreseeable future. I really like the way the system came out. Sounds just about perfect for my needs. Might go a little bit louder, might throw a mid-pipe in there at some point, but for now, this really does hit a nice sweet spot for what I was looking for. All right, that's it for this one. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.